Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing y'all how to make these delicious, easy blueberry pancakes. So the first ingredient that you're going to need is this Essential Goodness Cloud 9 pancake mix. You're going to need 1.5 cups of that. You're also going to need this So Delicious organic almond milk, and you're going to need 1 cup of that also. Then I used this Earth Balance soy-free butter, and I used about 2 tablespoons. And you're also going to need just about a handful of blueberries, depending on how much you like. Then to keep everything together, I just use a half of a banana, and it has to be very, very ripe. If not, then it's not going to really do the job for you. And plus, you know, it has to be ripe. So make sure it's ripe. Once we get that banana mashed up, you're going to add that to your bowl of ingredients. You're going to stir it up until you get this thick consistency. Then we're going to move on. So once we get that mixed up, here I'm just showing y'all how it needs to be. Like, it needs to be kind of thick, depending on how you like your pancakes, but I like my batter pretty thick. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add that to your skillet and have that heated up well. So once we add that pancake batter mix, it won't, spread so much, and it'll cook as soon as it hits the eye. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just adding the oil, and then you'll see me add the pancake mix. Also, while you're pouring it in the skillet, just pay attention, because you do want it to be like uniform. So you kind of see here, I'm trying to make it as much of a circle as possible. It's kind of hard doing it with the spoon, just because you don't always get that even batter distribution type of thing on your skillet. So just be careful about that. As you can see, as soon as I put it on there, it started to sizzle. That's what we want. We want it to sizzle. That means that it's going to cook at the bottom and then work its way up, instead of trying to burn as soon as you put it on there. Just make sure that the eye is not super hot. You can kind of see when it's starting to cook, it gets these little air bubbles at the top. That's how you kind of know when it's starting to when it's ready to flip. So once you see about a few of those, I say about 10. You don't have to count every single one, but you're just going to give that a flip. And as you can see, once I flip it, it's like this golden brown, and that's what we want. We want it to be golden brown, and that's the whole main idea. So once I do that, I plated both of my pancakes on the plates with some strawberries. Then I add my favorite syrup, and it's this wholesome organic pancake syrup. And you don't need too much of this. It's very sweet. You can also add almond butter, whatever kind of toppings you want, but I always keep it simple, and I just do this. It's easy for me. And that's it. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment on what you think I should make next. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.